morning, good morning, good morning. Don't want it here, yeah. Right, la. Okay, sanibonani guys. Awubona liyaphila. Ngiyazi ukuthi abantu abaningi balele manje. And I think that it's the right time for me to be able to talk because I'm awake and I'm busy thinking. Well, ngisanda nje kuyivulela ama messages yabo my DMs and all. And ngiyabona they are fake accounts that I'm seeing, and ayangithuka ngumuntu ongenandaba ke nenhlamba ngoba there's no ayikho into engizisola ngayo about anything. So inhlamba always take it as inhlamba, and viewer, delete, ignore, continue nempilo, sibe right. But at this moment in time, let me not read comments for now because I want to explain myself without uphazamiseka. Unfortunately, I don't have a speech, so I'll speak what is in my heart. Ngizokhuluma engikukhumbulayo, ngeke ngingakukhumbuli. This one, just like this one. Ingangenzi kanje mina lo live. But as ungazukhathi, let me try and explain myself. Let me try and support my view so that everyone would understand me. I'm not bitter with anyone empeleni. One, mina no do me, we do have our differences. And our differences enziwa ukuthi sibadala sobabili. Two, enziwa ukuthi sobaba sobabili bemizi yethu, and we believe in our views. So that's what made us to be different. And but we always putting our differences eceleni and face whatever that we have to face. So I don't have a problem with him, and he's still my brother in Christ and everything, you know. So we don't have a beef, because abantu bayibizwa ngebeef. We don't have a beef. If anyone khona afuna ukwazi ngalokho, we do have our differences. I'm not gonna talk about emculweni and all the stuff. Just gonna talk about the Sunday one, what made me to stand with what I believe in. What made me to stand with what I believe in is that, one, ngizama nje ukuyikhumbula kahle as is. I hope you're not taking angiphazamisa. I'm in a bad position. But one, on Sunday, as abantu bazi, we had our games, celebrity games. One, inkinga la iqale khona. I'm just gonna speak the truth once and for all. Ngiphume ngale ngiqhubeke nempilo, because ngiyabona ngiyiqoke manje elikhulu, and I'm a bad person. Amadiyama nje nginganivezela it's a lot inhlambe engithukwa ngazo based on this. So that's why I'm going to comment on this. I'm going to say ngendlela eyiyona. Ngiqale nje ekuqaleni. One, ngokufila kwami, and I will explain why am I saying this. Ngokufila kwami, Tina, yes, Udumi was chosen as a captain, and the captain is a leader, of which we don't have a problem with that. We are pretty fine and pretty cool with that. Udumi is a leader, is our captain. We respect that. But at the same time, I don't know. This is how I feel. mina ngikhulume ngami mhlambe ngakhulumela abanye abantu mhlambe nabo they have their that's why they've chose their ways and all the stuff ngikhulume ngami I think I am not good enough for Udumi in the team. Why am I saying that? Checking the game qala nje. I'll go to the other part. Checking the game first. There were a lot of times where I will be in a position. One, I'm not a soccer player. I'm not a football star and all. There were many times in a game where I stand. Ngilindele ibhola kuDumi. UDumi will rather afune liphunyuke enyaweni zakhe and or else aphasele omunye umuntu. Okay. I ended up changing the position. Ngaya on the other side because ngiyabona say man, I think this thing is too deep njengamanje. So let me change the side and mhlawumbe I'll be able to play on the other side. You know. Ngikusho lokho ngoba maningi ama build up that are coming to this. One, I'm not sure, I'm not sure one, no man issue two. As I said, I didn't prepare the speech, but I felt a need. They would let me explain this once and for all. I'm not a football star. I'm an artist. One, la, when we were preparing the games, CH Jimini, taking our times, preparing because we're excited about the games. Not even once Lao Dumi Kona showed up at Jimin. We only met to Dumi a gaming. Okay, that's pretty cool. Should no good, but I believe he was supposed to be with us. Sisalung Selelama games and be the captain, be the leader, put the team spirits, yenzi we be together, you know. Well, I'm not nalok because vele besikhathi singazele lokho. Uma ngabe sekhanjwa, I think they decided to look guys, we're gonna add abantu that will assist us because like it kind of we are champions and it game inzima. And at the back of my mind I said last year we had players adlali gospel, aculi gospel. I mean, we had them and we won. Sidlala ngabo kuphela. Now, what's the need of all these people? Because we have a good team that went there and play yawina foot, you know. And nakhona last year, I complained last year as much as Sawin. That's mean. My complaint was, hey guys, you don't give me enough game time because I'm here to play. That's what people are coming here for. They're not coming. Maybe if you go boga, I'm a soccer players, they will go FNP, ngalolo soccer bazoya ngalo, they will go ngalolo suku. But njengamanje, ithini esidlalayo ngabe sipintshwa ikind azisipintshele khona that's what they want to see uma ngabe see what that's what they want to see, that's what people want to see. So let us go there. Then we're complaining game time of which namanje even this one there were bekunama signs ebenziwe ukuthi asikhishwe manje ngeke ngimkhulumele uJumbo mhlambe nayo nendlela yakhe adila ngayo ngezinto ukuthi mina noJumbo fanele sikhishwe so that kuzongena labantu laba abapikiwe. Some of them, they are Dumi's friend from a team, whatever, laba dlala khona. And we had players that are meant to be there as a gospel, that were supposed to play, but they didn't play. But there are people like Tuabazo Caesar. You understand? And umanga befagwa, my cry was, anyway, there was no different, you know. So now this is a build-up of izinto eziningi. Njengoba sizesifika la njengamanje, it's a build-up of all these things. Because zonke lezi zinto I believe ukuthi because now I'm a leader where I am and I'm a father and ngiyakwazi ukubona a leader engagculisekile. I'm not saying nenkinga ngokuthi uDumi captain, but how he does izinto, mina personally, like I don't know, because one, uma ngabe, to cut it short, angifuna uzashaya ufone ngikule live. To cut it short, one thing angikhala ngayo, we are in a changing room. Uma ngabe sise changing room, okay, sesitsheliwe yonke into, that's why, you know, guys, sekukhulunyiwe ngale, now kuyabuywa manje kuthiwa guys gqokani, sesiqedile thina, sesiwinile case, we are going to play the final. Okay, sajabula, hence why I did the live, sijabula, sicula, akuliwe makuliwe, kulindwe bani, all those soccer things, you know. We did that, and then again we move, okay. Bese yaphuma uDumi going back egroundini, and bese siyasala siyashintsha and all about the team spirit, building a team spirit manje. Vela khona amajita that awekho right ngoba there are people abalethiwe la unnecessarily, yabo. What does that mean? That tells us that we are not good enough, yabo. We are not good enough, and there's no team spirit. I'm saying this because as much as I would love to continue, but I just have to make my decision. If I don't have to go there anymore, I just don't have to go there. I don't want to do that. I don't want to be in the was especially in the unnecessary. I mean, I do talk, I do share my view, but in an end when necessary, which I need to talk. Nyaza will say, hey, we have time to blah blah blah. No, I always share my view so that you will know where I stand and why I have always a valid reasons of my views. That's why I want to know my views on Munyomundo, because I believe like you know what I get kumuntu ngenzi into singe kizathu. Okay, this is what I believe in. Just as a then suddenly one of the guys nabo, I think Tulani said, guys, niyafuna ground in fast njengamanje phuthumani. Hey, sisho sayike shuthi kuyokala, fanele iqale manje igame, fanele iqale. Hey, yo, okay, fanele iqale igame, all right, that's fine. Hey, siyagijima ke manje ke sesiyasheshisa yonke into. Only to find out ukuthi mangabe sifike groundini, hayi kuyaliwa la. Hayi manje ngikala sibona manje sise groundini, hey guys, kuyaliwa. And ngiyaqakeka la kunamazwi asho Thulani ethi guys, fight. Hey bo, kuliwe la. Mhlawumbe usinikeza ugozi lokuthi we must fight ukuthi we are a gospel team or what is happening. Guys, fight. All right, that's cool. Hey, I see another spirit. I see a fighter manje. Let's be grounding. Hey man, ngiyaqala ngiyabona ukuthi hayi sibaningi like now fall ama team and uSjava came, uSjava wayelwa all the way uSjava. uSjava ngiyambingelela Java ngiyambona akekho right uSjava ethi hayi guys nihluliwe phumani musani kwenza lento eniyenzayo. Kanti kwenzakalani la? Sise grounding manje, mind you. We are not briefed with anything. Because when I believe ukuthi bekufanele siphume kule changing room sesazi ukuthi siyakwini la siyakhona, yabo. Bekufanele kube nomuntu ozothi guys, this is the situation lapha la siyakhona kwenzakala ukuthi nokuthi as a team asiphumeni sine spirit esi1 mekuthi sivumelene la ukuthi guys thina sivumelene siyodwa lapha. But all that I'm saying is that we are now going there to fight for uDumi. Because we are not a team, we are not briefed, we're not doing anything. So your fight tell manje ukuthi one man ucabangana about the situation. As a team, you understand? That's where I'm standing. Mind you, we are not briefed with anything. Says locus taller from other people. This is the situation. As a result, ngangifuna mina ukuphuma ngiyoma ngaphandle and see. Kanti manje la si divided manje nathi la. Khona lokho esiphusha guys ngenani egroundini ningaphumi. Hambani kwi-tunnel. Hey boy abangiyazi mina le yanto. Hambani kwi-tunnel sekuzoqalwa kungena kwi-tunnel kubuye kuzo. Yabo nje manje didekile manje ngazi kwenzakalani. Okay, well, uma ngabe kufika lapho, hey siyame yabo nje lento. Uma ngabe kusuka lapho bese nami ngiyarizina as a person. Manje ukurizina kwami sekhamba nayo yonke lento uthi vela kahle la basically siyithombe manje la Yabo. Basically say Thomas shoniswa ngapha manje shoniswa ngapha, yet we are as preview manje ukuthi okay kuyaliwa silwelani, because bekufanele sibe ne view nathi ukuthi guys this is what happening. And mind you, here we have sponsors la lelo khosana. That's why mina ngathi ngicela ukuyikhipha as umdlali ngiyifake ezicathulweni zabahleli manje that have spent their time the whole year from last year, spend their time sitting down with people, bringing them sponsors, worst parts. This one is gonna be big, even if I see Kobe final, but this must go on. You understand? This must go on, even if we were not on the final, that's cool, but let this go to the people. There's SAPC. SAPC la has got millions of people that finally uba 7 go 3. And this cat already njengamanje sila go quarter to 3. Finally le ndaba icace manje ukuthi kwenzakalani. At some point I called the guys and say, guys, asikho isidingo sokuthi silwe lana, let us go asambeni siyeke abantu ekufanele badla ngoba sihlulekile enkundleni. That fine, ngoba sihlulekile enkundleni ayekho umuntu ongadliwa, sikuyadliwa yonke into, ngisho team enkulu iyadliwa noma ikephi. You understand? It's fine, ngiyayizwa le yama rules. You understand? Ngiyayizwa le yama rules, and I don't have a problem with it. And if it was a valid point to stop everything, to collapse everything, it's cool. It's cool. But here I'm having into yokuthi, oh nkulunkulu wami. Okay, njengamanje it's 3 o'clock. Shower manje into wala ukuthi guys. And abo bonke abantu manje bafikile ngibona khona manje all this stuff SAPC ngeke lento iyonakala njengamanje, this thing iyonakala. And I'm busy telling the guys, hey guys, ngeke, we are fine, it's cool guys, asiyeke la fanele badlale siphumele ngaphandle siyeke abantu manje. Angisakhulumi as a player ye gospel ehluliwe yawina kuma yayibashawa ama rules abanye bawina. Sengikhuluma nawe as a normal person oyifaka manje ezicathulweni zabanye abantu that have been doing this, and they've brought these people ukuthi abazosakaza la. You understand? And bayalwa manje abona manje bayathetha Andile bayathetha njengamanje khona umunye wayezama ukungena egroundini uyathetha Andile uthi phum, because they understand their work. We are here to support people. This thing must go on. Kuyaliwa njengamanje at the back of my mind and say ngine-fear manje ukuthi lento enhle kangaka. It was not even about imali, guys. We're all working ey'ndaweni zethu, siyasebenza siyayithola imali. This was not about imali ngokwami. You understand? So segment ethi ngeke sibayekeleni. Angazi how many times did I go to certain people and say, guys, asiyekeni lento, siye abantu badlale la bekufanele badlale, so dlala ngonyaka ozayo, because futhi sekufanele uyifake ecathweni ukuthi ngonyaka odlala usodlala. Can you imagine bonke labantu laba? And I know ukuthi Big Zulu, Khuzani, with the other people, I know how the involvement yabo kulento. So mina sengicabangela bona manje ukuthi I think iphupho labo manje liyalimala because of this. Let us forget about the rules. Let us be brothers njengamanje. Sicabange and do this is resolve late, because it's ayikho that deep ngokwami, ayikho that deep. Let sifuna nje ukuthi let me swallow my pride. Let me tell these people to do lento efanele bayenze. So now, if you are missing kamunga lapho setheni, look, this thing could have been collapsed by Maskandi people, because bayazi ukuthi banamakhanda apho. Could have been collapsed by anyone, Kwaito. And here we are at stake. We have a gospel. Now, when you come back to gospel, we're supposed to be people that are leading this in a different way. Now, sekufanele see keep like singaba abantu abanomali. Let us now show sibe nento yozwelo ukuthi fine things khona izinto engagcinwanga. Hence why ngiqale ekuqaleni ukuthi, that's why I even said that time ukuthi mengangena emathimini namateam akhona izinto ongayithola and pick it up. You understand? We pick it up and say, look, it was wrong. Look, it was wrong. Kuyo yonke lento. So if you know ukuthi now you have something that you did wrong, engekho right, that was not supposed to be here. As a result, there are a lot of gospel singers that want to play that were not there. Ngikhuluma abaculi base Joburg that are playing soccer, bakhona bo Ayanda Shange, they want to be the part of the team, ngiyabazi badlala ibhola. There are a lot of people, you understand, because now it became wonke umuntu wayelapha. The only person ongeyena wase KZN was uJabu, futhi naye akasitholanga ischeme akadlalanga, waseMpumalanga. You understand? So now this is my point. Yokuthi where I'm standing right now is that lawo magame kwakufanele adlale. Because we are Christian, we're supposed to give Leo character. Look, guys, we are Christian, yes, there are rules, but njengamanje kunokuqoqisa this big company like SABC. SABC, it's $1 million company. Ukuthi manje sekuzofanele uhambe ngesinqumo somuntu oyedwa and forget about all these people or sabantu ababili abangavumelani, which is uTira noDumi. It's bad. It's a bad thing. Let me portray esinye isithombe sokuthi siyakwazi ukugwinya whatever and let into iqhubeke smooth and deal with it later. That is my point. And unfortunately ngango eraser if I was given a chance ukuthi assignment so ngathi mina singalwini guys ngoba lemdlalo izophazamiseka make yaphazamiseka isisiphazamisa sonke naba I can imagine because for those games to happen kuneimali zabantu abayifakayo not mina ngikhuluma njengomhleli ke mina ngikhuluma as someone ofike nje ngo last day efike sezodlala but I know ukuthi kuhleliwe. So that is my point. Ofuna ukungibiza ngeqoka akangibizi, but this is where I'm coming from. Mokuthi lokhu ngenza ngibe yiqoka ukuthi I'm standing with ukuthi lokhu bekufanele bengafanele ama games amiswe, bekufanele ama games adlalwe. You understand? So that is my point. If ungenza ngibe yiqoka because I didn't keep the rules, so these games are there. It's not even a professional games. Ngoba khona nathi khona idudle ingangathi engekho good enough engakwazi ukudlala ezokhathala yilokho abantu abakuzele. Abantu bafuna ukusibona sikhathala siginqika lapha siwaphansi sishumpuza ibhola liphume la manje bajabule. Uyabona ukwenza umzekelo for what I'm talking about. Anyone wayese grounding angakutshela ukuthi inhlokomo yayiba ngakanani ibhola lingakafiki ngisho kumina liseza lisasendleleni caca ukuthi libheke kuyena. Abantu bafuna ukubona ukuthi uzolireceive kanjani, uzolicisha kanjani, uzoliphasa kanjani. Those are celebrity games. You understand? So, uma ngabe ingafixwa lento yobuso obungaziwa kuma celebrity games, iyona into ezocollapse yonke lento ife finish nya. So, it's the last time in comment ngayo. That's my final view. That's why ngingamile nonzimande, because I really believe ukuthi isinqumo was personal. Isinqumo was not communicated with the team. Isinqumo was based on how he feels as a captain, which is fine. But at least si brief ukuthi na into engiyoyilwela uze ukuthi are we in support him, because beso raise lama point swap raise a change room siye lapha sazi ukuthi siyolwelana singalwiswi impe singayazi ukuthi ibhekephi isicoco sakho naso sitholaphi. You understand? So that is my view. Be honest injalo. I'm not hating anyone and I cannot hate anyone based on this. I'm just gonna speak iqiniso lijengoba linjalo ngijwayeleke vele mina nginalibhajani lokuthi whenever ngibeka umbono ngibe umuntu omubi kwabanye abantu, ngibe umuntu ongekho right. Yabo ngomile manje ngile month awake amanzi. Lokho kusho ukuthi kufanele ngivale lenkulumo. That's where I'm standing. Angibona ama comment enu. Ngiwafunda later nami njengabanye abantu, but as much as zikhona izinto engayibekanga asisena sidingo njengamanje. But sengibuyele kulesinqumo sokuthi why did I choose to stand? Ngibe nje ngibeqekelele ngime ngedwa ngithi at the end of the day kwakufanele adlalwe ama games. Kwakufanele adlalwe by whoever, even if you quite right siwinile grounding, which happened. Na into engihlekisa kakhulu nge-second half asibuyanga kwase kufakwa labantu ecabanga ukuthi ba good enough bazosiza i-team, but they didn't. Obviously that thing yokuthi kunabantu that are being prioritized over abanikazi be game bese prioritize labo bantu kuthiwa kunobani abazosiza sisizwa kanjani siwine ngalento siwine ngalabantu laba last year yibe siwine ngabo bekukhona bona labantu laba so sebezosizwani what's different njengamanje because I believe babezoyibamba igame so bafakwa labantu sangabuya sahlala sabukela obviously nje ubuhleli lapha ngaphandle inhliziyo yasho ukuthi cha laba ngijwayela kabi lava yinje abangikhiphele ngoba kuyadlalwa lana it's not akukho that deep man it's not that deep ayikho nje that deep akuyona UEFA lena these are celebrity games you understand so ngisamile nje kuthenini guys whatever happens if even to oban the four captains ngokungavumelani kwabo mhlamba ngalokho ngiphuma noDumi yedwa engazuthi nginenkinga naye the four captains ungavumelani kwabo whoever owaye disagree kuyo yonke lento uyena ke mina ngithi uyena wafanele ashintshe uyena impela waye wrong lo waye disagree ukuthi awaqhubeka ama games uyena waye wrong so that is my point that is my view ama games wafanele adlale on the day whether rules or no rules wasekufanele siphume yabona into yokubench it's okay akhona ama rules but ama rules are there to be akhona ama rules uzabreakwe vele anyway ama rules akhona nasemgaqweni kuba khona amaphoyisa ube khona umuntu awabe khona ama rules ukuze ezobreak ngoba nathi vele sasesiwa breakile saletha abantu abangadlala abadlala ibhola professionally with whatsoever because phela khona impuphu lapha ze gospel vele abazilutho labantu lapha yabona nje mina ngakho ngithi njengoba ngisho lento ngisho once and for all mbe ngafuna ukuthi ungibuyisa next year anginankinga vela ngemidlalo webhola ngiyacula mina kodwa ngiyabona lento le izosdivide sisodwa ke manje ekubeni kufanele kungabe yasihlanganisa because we are lento nje uyibona ukuthi no man mina akangithanda uba sendaweni la ngavele uwishwa khona without I'm talking about praise but way value yami engayiboni ngine value mina la ngihamba khona ngine value so la ngekho engenakho ni value I excuse myself ngiye la ngine value khona so this is the problem that's why I see la it because mina ngokwami njoba sisuke sihamba siya lapha sisuke thina siyo support uDumi nezinqumo zakhe ekubeni fanele abuya azoxoxa nathi fanele ngabuye oyos representa what we stand for ukube kwakunjalo kwakuphuma igama elilodwa ngabe simile na ngabe sonke sibhala into efana ngikhuluma ngalabo mina abanye abancethezayo abafuna ukuthi benze ini abafuna ukuthi basupport ngoba bethi soyikhulume cha ngoba yenzala in public asishare phela in public ngoba vele we are not as prefer vele ukuthi yini impi eyani impi so sifanele ngiviwe ngokwami ezuthi nana ama beliefs ami ngithi impi la hayi mina ngiyibona kanje akwenzeke kanje uyabo nami right yami leyo to share it ngiyazi kwakhona nangawo lo live uyabona inqwaba ke vele sengiblockile Nkosi yami ekade sazwana naye ngadecide ukuyiblocker because bona ke beze bazongiqonda straight but you are wrong ngabachazela isizathu baqhubeka ngathi vele lo ngablocker ngashare eceleni ngaqhubeka nempilo because I cannot stand for ngiyangikwazi mina angikhoni bafethu angikhoni enza le ngeSunday ibe wrong kwaphela kanjalo lesine namhlanje and ngiyabona ama comment lokho ngenele if you decide ukuqhubeka sizwile view yami ukuthi why ngime simene sinqume ngime kusona because it was unfair to many people to the organizers to everyone ekwakufanele benze lo lasuku lube impumelelo it was a very unfair decision that was taken especially amanye aqhamuka ngeside le gospel angikho right ngalokho I suppose kwakufanele kube umaskandi ngoba leziyana ziyayishova leziyana inkani kufanele kube umaskandi but lokho amaskandi wayenento ethi ngifaka imali yami la mhlawumbe naye wayeyoma okanye mhlawumbe kube ngabe ngiyazi ukuba kwawukhona umzala wami umanqele ngiyazi uyashova umanqele umzala wami athi ngeke kuze kwenze ngango understand but if it come from my fellow brother ukuthi sekufanele kumise umdlala was mina ngokwami was disappointed but it's fine ilife iyaqhubeka as I said ngesixatshaniso ibhola but sengithi ukuze ngingasali nami ngingekho right lokho kube ngazothi content engisabayo anginqeni lutho ukuzondwa abantu bayakhona ukuzonda whether uyazwana nomuntu noma uzwana naye bayakhona nje ukuzonda but they always find a reason yokuzonda. So this one I want to share ukuthi ngiqhamuka ngapi, why am I standing in what I'm standing in. Ileyo nje ama views ami. Games were supposed to continue, games were supposed to be played regardless of the rules, beliefs and all the stuff. Ngoba singakhulumi lapha ngeprofessionalism and all the stuff. Besikhuluma ngama celebrity games. Guys, sengiqedile sengofunda nami ngama comment uze ngalokho ngoba ngiloko ngiphendulana nani la ugcina ngaqedanga vele khona engikhohliwe the valid points engakhohliwe ngizowaphosa futhi ngesinye isikhathi kodwa ngesifiso sami this is the last live regarding ama celebrity games that were on Sunday. Osa believe ukuthi ngiqoki okwakhe ibelief yakhe naye but ngichaza lento engichazayo. Le nje bengichaza futhi ngichaze ngesikhathi esi right. Ngiqhameni baningi ngangango futhi ngabe nani nilele niyabona nani uthi anilali nilibele indaba. But ngichaza lento engichazayo qedile futhi ngiyoqhubela nempilo yami ngiyocula ngiyoqhubeka nempilo and do that. Mekwenzeka sifind a common ground for next year, we'll find it. Singayitholi impilo vele iyaqhubeka. That's it. You understand? Sengiqedile ngozungu mina. Ngozungu. I always share my view because I believe in myself and I believe ukuthi I can ngiyenza out of ama reasons amaseceleni. I always view izinto bese ngiyayiqonda ukuthi this is supposed to happen like this. Mangabe ngafanele akufanele, mabe kufanele kufanele, and I would share it as it is with anyone. It's look bekufanele kwenze, look bengafanele. As long as kufanele ngibe ne point ukuthi ngithini, as long as ngifakwa ngiyangena ke manje ke ngiyanichazela ke. Ngoba nokungifaka ningifaka ngithulele ngiseceleni na Sunday bengizama ukuchaza yona lento. Lokuthiwa ngiqoki. Hayi ke naliki iqoki njengamanje lichaza lento ekufanele lichaze. Sengiqedile futhi njengamanje. Ngiqedile ngiqhubeka nempilo. Bye bye guys. uNkulunkulu akanibusise ekseni. Bengizochaza lento sengiyahamba futhi ngiyobuyela engubeni ngoba bengasalaleki. Yabo nje after ngifundele yalokho uzana yibo maningi ama message direct nje kumina. Uyiqoki uzonda uDumi awumfuni uDumi usuwenza ngathi uyadlala nti ungadlala ngidlali vele bengafanele ama game ngidlali. Bye.